Have you been looking for a fast, easy, and secure way to buy a ductless mini-split system? Well, you've come to the right place.
A mini-split system is the best option for cooling or heating any space in your home or office and providing comfort all year round and energy saving.
Perfect temperature, only in the space I need.
We are factory trained and have installed thousands of systems in virtually any space using the latest technology to cool or heat your home without expensive air duct or the need to upsize your existing air conditioner.
B-Air Mini-Splits offers clean, fresh air and a quiet operation system. But the best part is you can actually control it right from your mobile device.
Enjoying this type of comfort doesn't have to cost you thousands of dollars anymore. B-Air guarantees the best price because you buy directly from the manufacturer. No layers of middlemen. B-Air was engineered in California with the highest standards of quality in each and every one of its components.
Forget the old-fashioned way of buying with so many phone calls, visits, and appointments. With B-Air, you can purchase your mini-split with installation included online. No hassles, fast, secure, and as easy as 1, 2, 3. Choose your mini-split according to your needs and space. If you need assistance, use our online selection tool or chat with us. We're here to help you. After you have completed your purchase, a B-Air representative will contact you to schedule your installation date. Our factory-trained installer will be at your location at the time and date scheduled to take care of everything. It's that easy.
B-Air mini-splits. Affordable, eco-friendly, and better quality. Start enjoying the perfect temperature in 3 easy steps, all from the comfort of your home.